Good day. Channel MaxBot is on the line. Now I will tell you about what principles should be guided to earn large sums of money on trading, and I will also conduct 2 trades with the help of artificial intelligence. Modern problems require modern solutions, so you need to act quickly and clearly in a situation of rapidly changing events. A trading robot will help me in this. I will start working on the British pound, Japanese yen currency pair. The expiry time for this operation is 2 minutes. I invest $1,600 and quickly return to the MaxBot menu in Telegram to get the forecast. 3 seconds and the artificial intelligence gives a recommendation, higher. The robot also indicates additional information in the signal message. Now on this currency pair there is increased volatility and increased influence of news background on the price movement. Now I want to show you the reason why I think the bot gave a higher signal. I will perform technical analysis in the TradingView service. A look at the volume indicator shows that sellers have been systematically accumulating volume more often than buyers. This may suggest that the price will go down. But it is not that simple. The bulls on some chart fragments also had good volume, which allowed them to break through the resistance area and reach local highs.
Power.
Yes, they have the strength to get involved in this game.
And their system started up.
Support areas were traced, after which the bears became more active. However, the periodicity of the bull's activation leads me to think that the sideways movement will be resumed, just as it happened before, and the buyers will break the resistance area again and there will be a rebound up. Also, according to the lower Bollinger Band, which has been crossed a couple of times recently, we can predict a rebound to higher. I am sure that the technical analysis of this deal will justify itself and the result will please us. By the way, friends, take part in the big contest that our team is holding. You can win $1,000 without stressing. To participate in the contest, you need to watch this video from the beginning to the end. Put a like, subscribe to the channel and write 1 comment on the subject of trading. I will choose the winner using randomizer. I publish the results weekly in my Telegram channel, which you can access by clicking on the link in the description. Subscribe. There is a lot of cool and relevant information there. So, the deal closed in plus thanks to the signal from MaxBot, which was confirmed by my technical analysis. $1,376 came to the real account. Now I want to consolidate the success and conduct another operation with other settings for market entry. Among the 27 currency pairs that are presented in the MaxBot menu, I will take a new variant, US dollar and Japanese yen. Time frame 4 minutes. I will significantly increase the entry amount this time. $3,600. I carefully press the corresponding keys in the bot menu and get a signal. Lower. I press the red key in pocket option. I also received additional information from the bot on this trade. Now there is reduced volatility and insignificant news background. I will also analyze this deal with the help of an additional service. I want to show you what, in my opinion, is the logic behind the bot's recommendation. I find our currency pair in the TradingView service. Let's break down the logic behind the price movement. Never underestimate technical analysis, because with its help you can notice many patterns, many nuances that directly affect the result. You can immediately see a huge array of sellers on the tick volume histogram, after which there was a sideways movement with a smooth downward movement. Yes, the bears have done some real magic in this stretch of time. You can also pay attention to the extensive resistance areas.
Way back. Resistance.
At some point there was a corridor and the price started to move at the same level. An hour ago, buyers started to descend their support areas. The general trend, systematic accumulation of sellers' volumes, frequent breakdown of the support area and the characteristic lower trend after a long sideways movement tell me that there are no preconditions for an impulsive trend reversal at the moment. I am confident that at our expiry time of 4 minutes, the bear's strength will be enough to sustain the current trend.
Oh, trending down.
Even an hour ago, the bears were getting to local highs and hinting that they could turn things around. Well now, while we are waiting for the trade to close, I want to talk to you about large sums in trading. Let's begin with the bedrock of big trades, a solid foundation. Education. Know your charts, indicators, and market sentiments. Stay updated with financial news. Remember, knowledge is power, especially in the options market. Next up, risk management. It's the scaffolding that supports your big trade ambitions. Without it, you're building castles in the air. Set strict risk parameters. And always calculate the risk to reward ratio. Got it? Good. Capital growth. It's a slow burn. Start small, accumulate profits, and reinvest wisely. It's not just about making money, it's about making money work for you. Scaling up. As your capital grows, incrementally increase your trade sizes. Think compound interest. Let's checklist it. Solid strategy? Check. Risk management? Check. Emotional control? Double check. You're not gambling, you're executing a well-planned strategy. Emotional control can't be stressed enough. The higher the stakes, the cooler your head must be. Breathe, analyze, execute, and step back. Win some, lose some, learn always. Every loss is a lesson, every win, a validation of your strategy. Success stories. They're real, and they happen every day. But behind each one is a tale of patience, perseverance, and unwavering discipline. Diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one currency pair. Spread your trades to hedge risks and tap into multiple profit streams. Now, the big question. How do you know when to go big? Market analysis is your friend. Look for trends, patterns, and economic events that could impact currency movements. Timing is everything. Execute your big trades when the market conditions align with your strategy. It's not about being frequent, it's about being precise. So, the second trade closed in the plus. The robot signal and my technical analysis turned out to be correct. $3,024 came to the real account. For 2 trades in total, I managed to earn an excellent amount, $4,400. You have seen the principle of great deals on a real example. The combination of skills, the ability to predict the result, based on trends and the development of analytical skills. This is the key to success. Friends, have successful trades. Learn constantly, get into the sphere of activity, which has no limits. Use modern technologies. You can use 3 free signals from MaxBot at the link in the description, and then purchase the full version of the tool. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, put a like and press the bell to not miss new interesting releases. Big deals are a big job.